Welcome to the Roomba Pet Series Easter Grass Challenge. With 2 2-year-olds and a 5-year-old in our house, this is what our carpet looks like a week after Easter. So now we're going to see if the Roomba is up to the challenge of picking up all these little pieces of grass, which are quite staticky, on this thick rug. Let's see how it does. Now that the Roomba has docked itself, it's been running for approximately 1 hour until it decided it was done. So let's take a look to see how it did. This is the area that had the most pieces of Easter grass. Oh, there's one right there. It looks like overall the Roomba did a pretty good job. The next thing we want to check out is how it did along the edges. Even my regular vacuum did not get everything very close to the edges. So let's take a look. I do see a couple of bits of grass left over, but overall I think I'm pretty happy with the job it did. didn't even have to lift a finger. And that's the important thing, right?